Y'all gonna like this one right here, man. People value and appreciate you when you are gone. People love you more when you are gone. It's the sad truth. It's a very tough pill for a lot of people to swallow. But it still doesn't negate that it's the truth. Truth is power. Honesty is power, right? I've experienced so many instances where people call me, people text me, people have emailed me from high school. They've hit my mama. They've hit multiple cousins of mine, family members of mine on Facebook. How's Jaden? What's Jaden doing now? Where is he at? I want to give him. I want to do something for him, because he did something when we were in high school that I just never forget, and I finally get it now. I really, really get it now. I want to give him something. When you are all in people's face, it's like a light. Okay? Got the lights on in the back, got a light right here. When a light is in front of your eyes and you just woke up, what happens? Blinded. You can't see who's in front of you. Come on. You get blinded. But when you take some steps back, you can kind of open your eyes and realize that there's the pole, there's the wire connecting into the wall, and that's a light. What type of light is that? A Sony? Logitech? Elgato? Then you begin to realize the thing that was plastered in front of your face. Isn't that ironic? This is human nature. When I was in high school, I used to get mad about this. I used to get very, very upset. Like, I'm telling y'all right now that y'all smoking weed and drinking and turning up and partying and casually having sex every weekend and doing all this, getting gonorrhea, STD, and just aimlessly fucking, collecting bodies. Imagine that. They say, how many bodies you got? Like you're a killer. And that's the lingo? I was saying this in high school. 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade. I was saying this in high school. But I was more of a dickhead and an asshole about it. Yet I still meant it. The way in which I was putting forth my message was slightly wrong, because as a kid, who wants to always get chastised? That's like the teacher who's always grumpy and mean and disruptive. Like, everybody shut up and sit down. Y'all just so loud. I know y'all came from lunch, but shut up and sit down. We got the thing on the board. Just do this, do chapter 2 and through chapter 5, and let me know when y'all done. All right. Like, our respect for you just completely diminished, right? But you're not going to play with her, though. You may test it. You ain't going to play with her, though. You know what I mean? So when I was in high school, I was saying these same exact things I'm saying now, but in a more deeper, intellectual, articulate way. You see? And I realized that people connect more to the truth when it's in a form of comedic relief. That's why I love comedians. I love them. I love them. The Eddie Griffins, the Richard Pryors, the Dick Gregorys, Cat Williams, Dave Chappelle's, legends. And they are still revolutionaries. They are still truth seekers, just as I am, just as we are. But they spice some funny and some laughter on that thing. So now it's more digestive. You see? One thing I realized when moving out, I moved out at 20 years young. Okay? And it was very spontaneous. I got the crib fast. I had the money in the shoebox. Like, I'm ready. Like, I'm out. My Meemaw and my mom, they were the two people that got affected most from me moving away. Mind you, my mom and me, always used to text me and call me, and they made me want to check in, stuff like that. Of course, as a grandmother and a mother should. But the energy in which it heightened to, because I moved out and I'm now in my own space, doing my own thing, I'm not making all that noise in the house no more. I'm in my own house. Now I got my second crib. I'm in my own crib, making noise, being loud, jumping around. But when I was there, y'all was telling me, hey, shut the hell up, all that yelling. Right, my bad. Your house, your rules, of course. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. The thing that people begin to love you for, not always, it's not always going to be the case, but some cases, it will surely be the thing that they hate you for. I hate how you so outspoken. You just so vocal. You just always telling the truth. Oh, shut up, Jay. No, you always just trying to tell some. You think you know it all. But wait, when you met me, you said that you love how good I am with people, how love I talk to people. But when I talk to girls or women at a restaurant, you think I'm flirting, but I've gotten it all my life. And that's my personality. I'm not flirting with me. This is just my energy. I am an abundant spirit, and I like to enjoy wherever I'm at, whatever I'm doing, with whomever. I don't care. Homeless, Mexican, black, fat, skinny, white, corporate, America, blue collar, I don't give a damn. I'm gonna have a great time, and I'm gonna smile, and I'm gonna laugh. You see? So when my presence was out of the house, they honored me and respected me times 100,000 trillion. 100,000 trillion. Like, oh, like, when you gonna come see us again? Like, I was with y'all every day. Every day. I'm a grown man. I'm morphing into what, you want me to stay in the house for the rest of my life? Now, as a mother, she's always told me, yes, I want you to stay here forever. You gonna live with me forever. Yeah, granted, it's my mama, And she probably watching this video. What's up, Ma? Yeah. This is just how it is. And once you understand that, you can kind of move accordingly. You can kind of let things run their course peacefully and not damage it along the process. Like, you don't have to cut somebody off. You don't have to tell somebody that you don't rock with them no more. You don't have to tell them verbally. Your energy will speak louder. When you move, when you get that new job, new car, new space, you get a second house. Your body, your physique, your face, your braids, it just looks, damn, JB, when you went, who you went to? Then they start asking questions. But for 20 years, for 10 years, I've been here in front of y'all, evolving, but y'all didn't pay attention. I've been right here in front of y'all for how many? That's a decade. I moved out when I was 20. That's 2 decades. Y'all had 20 years of me. Like, going upstairs, going in my room, and, or I can go in your room or whatever the kid. I got to spread my wings, yo. And yes, we love family this way. Shout out to all y'all family. Shout out to my family. But don't allow them to cut your wings off, because they will do that insubordinately. They will do that consequently because they feel you evolving. They see you going too high. They see you rising too high above the clouds, to the stars, to the moon, to Saturn, to the planets. Yeah, they see that. They're going to say, a lot of them are going to say they want you to do great. They want you to do better than them. Until you start doing that, until you start acting that out, until you start sacrificing, putting things on the line that really matters, you're actually choosing how to manage your time. You're not giving him the same emotion that you used to give him. It's a different life now. Wake up. Yeah, I'm still JB, but I'm a different JB. I don't even recognize who I was last year, 2 years ago, in high school. I'm an elevated man. Elevated frequencies require elevated habits. Different routines for different results. I refuse to do the same thing. So don't allow other people in your life to make you seem like you're doing wrong by elevating. They're going to say, oh, you changed, bro. Man, you doing too much, man. You think you all hot shit. Now you think you big. Man, don't forget about us little people. They love to say that, right? They love to say that. Don't forget about us. Oh, trust me, I did it. Oh, money done changed, JB. Money done changed you, bro. Really? Maybe I think it kind of changed you. Not me. I'm still the same. I'm still who I am. Yeah, I'm not going to sit here and fake the funk with you. Okay? I was actually being more real with you and more transparent when we were together every day. So it's interesting you say that, right? Kind of, projecting. We get it. But that's the video, man. Stay focused, stay determined, just be simple. Yeah, it's a lifestyle, baby. Holla at you on the next video. Spread love, spread prosperity. It's JB, and I'm out.